everyone, this is Franklin from CG Nation. In today's tutorial, I will be looking at building tools, one of the greatest add-ons to be released in Blender. With this tool, you can create cool and customized building within seconds. Now, without taking much of your time, let's just jump right into it. Okay, as we all know, this is your default Blender viewport. So the first thing I would love to do to draw some, click on our default cube right there now, hit S and then delete. Then I hit N to call up my add-ons tab, click on building tools and then click on create floor plan. Now this is a kind of base. This will serve as a kind of base for your building. Now while creating your floor plan, you find out that if you go to this menu right here, you can select whatever shape you want your floor plan to adopt. So let's see, let's look at this. I'll just create something random and get on with it. So okay, I guess we'll have to make do with this. So I'll have to just make some adjustments to my own taste and we'll start the actual modeling. So to do that, I'll just tap into edit mode. Okay, before I go on, I think I should just jump my screencast key. That way you guys will be able to follow up on whatever keys that I'm pressing. With that done, whatever keys I'm pressing will be shown around this area. Okay, then I switch back to my edit mode, click on edge, select both, then click on this edge right there, my top view, X, then take it for like as long as like four units. Okay, and this edge here, do the same thing. Okay, then I just go follow like one block here. Yeah, on this, do the same thing. Do the same thing. Okay, with that done, I'll just switch back to the building tools menu. Now I'll highlight the whole floor plan, then I'll click on add floor. See, it's already taking shape. So what you want to do here is create a kind of floor for your house. You know, how many floors will be in the building and so on. So here at this point, you just have to select the number of floors you want in the building, the actual floor count. But for this tutorial, I'll just make do with one floor. Or should I? Okay, let's just make it 2 floors. Okay, but before then, I'll just return to 1 floor. Before then, I will have to set the actual floor height for the whole stuff. So I'll just take 2.6. Let's see, no, just make it 4 meters high. Okay, that being done. Here now I'll have to now add the thickness for this slab here. This slab in this area now, add the thickness, add a certain thickness to it. So I'll just make it 0.3. 0.3 should be. Then the offset, I'll make the offset 0.2. Okay. So with that done, I'll just go ahead and add one more floor to the building. Okay. I think that should be fine. So with that done, I just switch to face select mode select the upper face here, then click on add roof. See how fast the whole thing is moving. So once that is done, right here you have the independence of you have the freedom of selecting the type of roof you want. So assuming you want this called a hip roof anyway. Assuming you want you don't like this and you want something like a flat roof, you can go ahead and select flat here. Or you can also go ahead and select gable roof, or also this okay, I think we should go with this. I think this looks okay. So once that is done, you click on the thickness, give it some thickness. I'll just make it 0.3. No, okay, I think 0.3 is good. Then the outset, I'll make the outset like 0.3 also. The outset like 0.3. Okay. Then I'll make the height of the building like make it like 4 meters long. No, I'll make it like 2 meters long. Okay. The outset seems not to be enough. Touch this. Okay. Okay, with that done, we will now start customizing our things. So I'll just tap one on my numpad to go to front view, select one of the faces, then I hit add window. Okay, you can see that automatically a window has been added for us. Okay, here at this menu here, will now enable us to customize the window however way we want to. So in this tutorial, I'll just be going for something very simple. Let me not take much of your time anyway. So here. Okay, and this portion is all about setting the size of the window, while this area here talks about the offset and the rest. So on the width column, I would like to give it a width of like 3. No, that's too big. I'll make it 1.5. Then the height should be 1.5. Okay, and that's okay. So here, I'll just change the fill type to like glass planes. Then think the offset. Okay, this way. Let's look at it. Okay, I'll just leave the offset as it is. Then I'll add arc eye here just to beautify the window. It's not mandatory anyway. I'm just trying to show you lots of stuff you can do with this. Okay, I think we'll just leave the window this way. Okay, you click on this. Okay, now the good thing about this add-on is that it kind of saves presets automatically on its own. So once I just click on this face here and click add window, it will automatically transfer whatever preset I worked with here to this point. So let me just click on add window, touch this, add window, touch this. So yeah, so far so good. Then I just click on this point here. Now. Okay, there should be window. I said okay, add 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 windows, all these faces. Then this face I have to click on add door. Okay, set the height to something like 2 meters. Make it like 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. Make the width like 1.5. Yeah. Okay. Once that is done, I'll come down to the field type. I'll just add panels. Yeah, this way. So I still might consider adding the door. Yeah, to make everything standardized. I'll click on once that is done, I'll just click on this space right here. This space right here. This space right here. While holding down shift, I click on add door. Automatically, doors has been added to those faces within seconds. Okay. The next thing I have to do now is have to add a balcony. Uh, click on this. Click on this. Click on this. Let this whole portion. Control G. Join them as one. Then start portion highlighted on add balcony. Why is it not coming up? Okay. Okay, I think there's an issue somewhere. It's not supposed to. Let's see. Oh, okay, I think the problem here is that kind of it's kind of seeing these faces as different faces and therefore adding different balconies. Okay. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Control Z to it. Let's select this face file here. Let's see if it will work out. Yeah, I think that's all we need to do. Okay, here now increase the height. And I still decide to reduce the width, make the width like wide. It should be fine. We will just make it like 3 meters wide and okay. I think we should increase the height a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. So here now, we'll select this face, this face, this face, then click on add balcony. Wow. So while we are waiting for it to populate the balcony, I just hope you've been able to learn one or two things in this tutorial, and I encourage you to reach out and get this add-on available on the Blender market. Just get one for yourself. It will fasten your workflow and save you a lot of stress. So as you can see, within a short while, we've been able to create this wonderful build without having to go through much stress and frustration, so to say. So this will be it for this tutorial. On the next part, I will actually be testing and working on the environment building. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you